Hey my Nikki Charmers, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I am Nikki of Balloon by Nikki Charms. So today's video is a quick tutorial of how to install filler balloons into your garland. Filler balloons are balloons that we put in between spaces just to make the balloon garland a little more extravagant, if you want to call it that. It can make this basic garland turn into something totally different. So that's what the filler balloons are. And I'll show you 4 different methods. So it'll make you actually feel like you're a balloon artist. If you're interested, stay tuned. So this is my first method of how I connect filler balloons into my garland using a 260, which is tying balloons. I just stretch it out. And I take it and I wrap it around the balloon. And then I tie it. All I do is wrap it around one of the balloons in the garland. I stretch it out. And I just take it. This 260 is already in. All I'm doing is just wrapping it like how you see me wrapping it around this balloon. So we're gonna connect it with our 260 into the garland. Like this, we stretch out and just wrap around the balloon like that. And the other one. Second method is using a rubber band, and you just connect it this way and pull, and all you do is just wrap it around one of the balloons and it should be secure. So this one you want to put it on both ends. It should be like this. Open it. The easiest method for me as my preference. See, place it just like this. For our third method, I'm just gonna grab the neck and tie it into one of the necks of the balloons and just tie it in that way. And grab one of the necks, pull it out like this. And grab this neck. Try to look for the longest neck in the bunch. You grab it like that. And grab this neck. And you just tie it. I normally wrap it around. And just tie it into the garland. And your cluster is secure. And this is my third method of how I connect a filler balloon into the garland. And this is my last method of how I connect a filler balloon into my garland, which is my least favorite because I'm using glue dots. And you know, once you put it in a certain spot, you can't really move it around if you want to because it may pop the other balloons. So this is my least favorite. So I have my glue dots here. You can see it. And you just basically put it on. That, see it, and you look for a spot where you see an empty space and you just stick it on. I'll probably push the glue dot right here, but I have to be careful not to move it around so my other balloons do not pop. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick it. Try to make sure that when you're putting it into your garland, you're not showing the neck. So I'm gonna do that and stick it. Hold it, press it down for a few seconds just to make sure that it's secure. And that's it. Simple as that. Like I said, I don't want to pop my balloons. I don't want to risk that chance. So it's my least favorite. These are my different styles of balloon fillers. I hope this video was very informative and you learned a lot, able to practice with it and able to see what's the best method for you. Each method is totally different. It shows you different ways how to save money and also how to save time. So whatever method you choose, just make sure that it works for you. Comment below and let me know which method works best for you. And if so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That's right here. And until next time, be blessed, guys.